Hi all, in today's class, let's see exercise 3.2, find the LCM of the expressions. It is a continuation of the previous video. Let's see the fifth sum now. 2x square minus 5x minus 3, 4x square minus 36. We are going to find the LCM for this two expression. For this first, I am going to factorize these two expressions. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. For factorizing, first I am going to multiply this numerical coefficient with the constant term, that is 2 into, what is my constant? Minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. I am going to divide, I am going to split this minus 5x into two terms, so that when you add those two terms you should get minus 5x, and when you multiply you should get minus 6. That is 2x square. I'm going to split this minus 5x as minus 6x plus x minus 3. If you multiply this minus 6 into 1, you will get minus 6. If you add these two terms, minus 6x plus x, you will get minus 5x. So this is the way you have to do. In the next step, you see in the first two terms, you have 2 common. You can take 2 common outside. Also, you can take this x common outside. Here also it is x square. Here you have x. So I'm going to take x common outside. So in the first term, you have taken 2 common outside and x common outside. The remaining is x minus. You already taken 2 common outside. So here it is 3. Here also I have x minus 3. I'm just putting 1 here. And the next step, x minus 3. Both the terms you have x minus 3 common. And the next step, 2x plus 1. Here we have nothing to take common outside, so I'm just putting 1 here. So this is the final answer. Next, I'm going to solve this 4x square minus 36. So here 4 we can take common outside. If you take 4 common outside, 4x square will becomes x square. If you take 4 common outside, 36 divided by 4 is 9. The next step, 4 into x square minus 9, I can write it as 3 square. So see, this is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the answer? A plus b into a minus b. In the place of a it is x, in the place of b it is 3 here. So 4 into, what is x square minus 3 square? X plus 3 into x minus 3. So look at these two terms. You have to find the LCM for these two terms. So LCM is, look at these two terms. Here it is x minus 3 to x plus 1. Here it is 4 of x plus 3, x minus 3. So which of the term is common here? Here also you have x plus, here also you have x minus 3. Here also you have x minus 3. So I'm taking and writing this x minus 3. What are the remaining terms? 2x plus 1. Here we don't have 2x plus 1, so I have to include this 2x plus 1. The next step, here it is x plus 3. I'm going to take and write this x plus 3. Next it is 4. So this is your LCM. Sixth sum is 2x square minus 3xy whole square, 4x minus 6y whole cube, 8x cube minus 27y square. First, I am going to factorize all these expressions and then I am going to find the LCM for these expressions. First, taking the first expression, 2x square minus 3xy whole square. And this, I can take this x common outside. So I am taking this x common outside. My x square will becomes x minus 3xy. We have taken 3x common outside. So it is 3y whole square. This square, it is for x as well as 2x minus 3y. The next step, I am taking this x outside, becomes x square 2x minus 3y whole square. So what's the next one? 4x minus 6y whole cube. Here what we can take common outside? 2 we can take common outside. So 4x will becomes 2x and 6y will becomes 3y whole cube. So this This cube is for 2 as well as 2x minus 3y whole cube. 2 cube can be written as 8. So final answer is 2x minus 3y whole cube. What is my next one? 8x cube minus 27y cube. Here I can write this 8 as 2 cube x cube minus I can write this 27 as 3 cube y cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Can write this as 2x whole cube minus 3y whole cube. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. In the place of a, it is 2x is here. In the place of b, it is 3y is here. I'm just using this identity. A cube minus b cube, that is 2x cube minus 3y cube is a minus b, that is 2x minus 3y. A square means 2x whole square plus what is your a? 2x into what is your b? 3y plus what is your b square? That is 3y whole square. 2x minus 3y. This is 2x square means 2x whole square means 4x square plus 2 3s are 6xy plus 3y whole square means 9y square. So I have taken and written all the answers for the expressions. Now I am going to find the LCM. So what is the common term we have here? Here we have 2x minus 3y whole square. Here we have 2x minus 3y cube. Here we have 2x minus 3y. Here the power is 2, here the power is 3, here the power is 1. So whichever has the highest power, we should take and write that 2x LCM is equal to 2x minus 3y whole cube. And you have to write all the remaining terms. What are the remaining terms here? 8x square. 8x square. Next you have to take and write this also. 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. That's it. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.